SRG Limited, their project, Palace Theatre, Lower Esplanade, St Kilda, Victoria, Australia, recently won the ACRA award in the category of Heritage Structures and also took out the Repair Industry Excellence Award. SRG Limited were engaged by managing contractor Built to carry out facade remediation to one of Melbourne's most iconic and best-loved entertainment venues, the historic Palace Theatre. The refurbishment and repairs to the theatre's exterior was a critical aspect of the project, requiring specialist skills and various repair methods. SRG's scope included undertaking lead paint removal from the entire facade, concrete repairs, render repairs, installation of waterproof membrane, fabrication and installation of all pressed cement heritage feature items, and the application of a coating system which replaced the original wash coat on the building.